How to apply reverb to audio tracks in AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Next, go to the Effects section under Audio Editing Tools and import the audio file you want to edit. Once the audio is loaded, select the echo effect as a starting point, then scroll down to find the reverb option. You will see different types of reverb including Stadium Reverb and Studio Reverb. Select the reverb type you want to apply and preview the audio as you make changes to ensure it sounds natural and matches the style you want for your project. Once you are satisfied with the sound, tap the OK button to apply the reverb and Save button to export your audio with the effect. Now you know how to apply reverb to audio tracks in AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more audio editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.